Hi, to enable and disable voice typing on Xiaomi 13, we will need to trigger a keyboard first. For that, I'm gonna just go in my app drawer, and here is my keyboard. So in this upper panel, you should see microphone icon. If you cannot see it, then voice typing is disabled. To enable it, we will need to go in the phone settings. Here select the voice typing and enable to use it, like that. We can also enable faster voice typing, so download a faster, more accurate way to recognize your voice, and once downloaded, it would be available offline as well. If you would like to enable it as well, just tap on this feature. And now let's go back, trigger keyboard, and now we can see this microphone icon. We will need to tap it, select while using the app, and now we can use voice typing, so everything you'll say will be displayed on the screen like that. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.